What if I told you that everything you can see, touch, and feel, the Earth, all humans and animals, every star, every planet, every galaxy, even you yourself, all of this together makes up only 5% of the entire universe? Yes, just 5%. The remaining 95% of the universe is made of something we cannot see, cannot touch, and do not fully understand even today. Scientists call these two mysterious things dark matter and dark energy. And in this video, we are going to explore them so deeply that it will change the way you look at the universe forever. Let's begin. When you hear the word dark, you might imagine something black, like coal or smoke. But dark does not mean black. Here, dark means invisible. Dark matter does not emit light. It does not absorb light. It does not reflect light. That is why no telescope, no matter how powerful, can see it. So the obvious question is, if we can't see dark matter, how do scientists know it exists at all? The answer comes from a strange discovery almost 100 years ago. In the 1930s, a Swiss astronomer named Fritz Zwicky was studying distant galaxies. First, let's understand something simple. Our solar system has one star, the Sun, with planets orbiting it. A galaxy is like a giant family of stars. Billions or even trillions of stars moving together. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Now, when many galaxies stay together in a group, we call it a galaxy cluster. Zwicky was studying one such cluster, and what he saw made no sense. Imagine children standing in a circle, holding hands and spinning. If they spin too fast, their hands will let go, and everyone will fly apart. Now, Zwicky noticed that galaxies in this cluster were moving extremely fast. So fast that they should have flown apart long ago, but they didn't. They stayed together, which means something invisible was holding them, like an invisible rope tying all of them together. Zwicky called this unknown thing missing mass. At that time, no one took him seriously, but he was right. About 40 years later, in the 1970s, an American astronomer named Vera Rubin made a shocking discovery. She was studying how stars move inside individual galaxies. Here's what should happen normally. Stars close to the galaxy center should move faster. Stars farther away should move slower. Just like planets near the sun orbit faster than distant ones. But that's not what she found. Stars at the edges of galaxies were moving just as fast as stars near the center. This should be impossible, unless there was extra invisible mass creating more gravity. That invisible mass is what we now call dark matter. What is dark matter made of? Here's the honest truth. We don't know. But scientists have strong theories. The most popular idea is that dark matter is made of special particles called WIMPs. That stands for weakly interacting massive particles. These particles have mass, create gravity, almost never interact with normal matter. That is why they pass through everything without effect. Scientists have built underground labs deep beneath the Earth to detect them. So far, no direct detection. The mystery remains. Is dark matter passing through you right now? Yes. Every second, billions of dark matter particles pass straight through your body, through your skin, through your bones, through the Earth itself. You don't feel anything, because dark matter barely interacts with normal matter. Now comes the real monster, dark energy. If dark matter is mysterious, dark energy is terrifying. To understand it, we must go back to the Big Bang. Many people think the Big Bang was an explosion. It wasn't. Nothing exploded outward. Instead, space itself began to expand. Imagine raisin bread dough. The raisins are galaxies. The dough is space. When the dough expands, the raisins move away from each other. The raisins are not moving themselves. Space between them is expanding. That is exactly what happened to the universe. For decades, scientists believed that gravity would slowly slow down the expansion of the universe, maybe even reverse it one day. This idea was called the Big Crunch. But in 1998, everything changed. Two independent teams studying distant supernovae discovered something unbelievable. The universe is not slowing down. It is expanding faster and faster. This means a mysterious force is pushing the universe apart, working against gravity. Scientists name this force dark energy. This discovery was so important that it won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011.
What is dark energy?
No one knows exactly, but the strongest idea is this. Dark energy is a property of empty space itself. Even nothing contains energy. As space expands, more empty space is created. More empty space means more dark energy. More dark energy means even faster expansion. This creates a runaway effect.
Will dark energy destroy the Earth?
Not anytime soon. Dark energy only affects the universe at huge scales, between galaxies. Inside galaxies, gravity is much stronger. Our Milky Way is safe. Our solar system is safe. Earth is safe. But in the far future, billions of years from now, if dark energy keeps growing, some scientists predict a scenario called the Big Rip. First, galaxies tear apart, then stars, then planets, then atoms, and finally space itself breaks. Do not worry. If it happens at all, it is unimaginably far in the future. How big is the universe really? We can only see the observable universe, the part whose light has reached us. It is about 93 billion light years across. But the real universe may be much larger, possibly infinite. So remember this. Everything you know, everything you see, everything you are, is only 5% of reality. The universe is not just strange. It is far stranger than we ever imagined. Stay curious, keep questioning, and welcome to Hiddenverse.